everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add content on OnlyFans. To add a content on OnlyFans, first of all open your OnlyFans application or log in using a web browser. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your home page. Go to the top of the screen and you will be able to see an area where you will be able to compose a new post. Tap on the text box and create a new post. Now you will need to choose the type of content you would like to upload. OnlyFans allows you to upload content such as photos, videos, text messages, and audio clips. You can also post a quiz, a poll, or simply an image on your post. After you are done adding in necessary elements such as text, audio, photos, and more, simply tap on the post button at the top right in order to upload your content. But remember that your account must be verified so that you can publish your post. That is how you will be able to add content on OnlyFans. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.